Hello and welcome to our channel Health Corner. Before start watching this video, please note that if you are looking for the world's best health products such as weight loss and flat belly products, workout protein shakes and diabetes control products, to buy that products, please click on the links in the description for the best price.
Welcome to Health Corner. As our viewers know that we talk about the health-related topics on our channel. So let's talk about our today's topic, and that is how many calories in 1 gram of protein. But before that, let's know about what is protein in a simple way. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass in our body. The body requires large amounts of macronutrients to sustain life. There are 3 main macronutrients: protein, fats and carbohydrates. There are 4 calories in each gram of protein. If you liked this video, please press the like and share button. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And just in case if you are unhappy with this video, then please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.